Hi everyone! Maayong gabi sa tanan and to all my kapamilya in Danao City. I would like to express my appreciation and gratefulness for everyone nga nianha karon sa birthday sa akong pinangga nga papa. I just wanna say hi to everyone and thank you so much nga inyong gitagaan og time ang akong family and si Papa to celebrate his 80th birthday with you all. I hope you guys enjoy the party and nabusog ra mo sa food and I hope you have a memorable night. And I just want to have this opportunity to express how happy I am, how thankful I am, and how blessed I am that nakaabot si Papa og 80. And I'm always praying and wishing him good health always and many more years to come, many more birthdays to come, many more blessings. I just wish and pray to the Lord good health always kay Papa. And I know dili na kaayo makahinumdum si Papa nako, but I just wanna tell or express to everyone out there tanan niyang mga gi-advise ako always dyan ako sundon, always dyan ko magpabilin nga si Aying nga matinabangon kay nakita na nako kung unsa ka matinabangon akong papa. And even though na ako sa layo, akong hunahuna na adjud always nilang magpapa, and I will always promise myself to give them a really good life until sa mga pila ka years. So to my dearest Papa, happy 80th birthday Papa, and I hope I can come home soon to visit you. But na ako diri karon sa States, and I will promise to work hard to be a better person and to always cherish every moment that I am here, because kung wala ko nimo gipadako og tarong, kung wala ko nimo gihimong unsa ko karon, dili na ko makabuot ang tanan akong mga dreams and ambitions and pangandoy. And I will always be here for you, for Mama and Papa. And thank you kayo pa sa tanan-tanan. I love you so much, Papa. Happy 80th birthday and God bless. And I love you so much.